Is your sliding gate becoming harder to open or close? If it's sticking, making strange noises, or stopping unexpectedly, don't ignore it. A small issue today could turn into an expensive repair tomorrow. Many sliding gate problems are caused by everyday wear and tear or a lack of maintenance. The good news is that many of these issues can be prevented with regular inspections and simple upkeep. Let's look at the most common reasons your sliding gate keeps sticking. First, inspect the track. Leaves, stones, sand and dirt are the biggest causes of sticking gates. If you live near Bondi, Coogee, or Maroubra, sand buildup can become a regular issue. Next, check the rollers. Rusty wheels don't roll smoothly and can create grinding noises or jerky movement. Also inspect the track itself. Even slight bends or damage can stop the gate from moving freely. Don't forget lubrication. Keeping moving parts properly lubricated reduces friction and extends the life of your gate. Finally, if your gate is moving slowly, stopping halfway or making loud noises, don't ignore it. These are signs that professional servicing may be needed. If your sliding gate isn't operating as smoothly as it should, Aluminium Fencing Sydney can help. Contact us today for professional gate servicing across Sydney's eastern suburbs. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more homeowner tips.